YouTube isn't just a broadcast platform, it's a social platform. It's a very powerful platform to engage with your audience directly. A channel is a great space for a brand to use to showcase its products. For a brand, YouTube has many benefits. You can put all your videos in one place where you can manage it. Having a dedicated channel will show up in brand searches. Having subscribers will help grow your brand's community. YouTube allows you to customize your channel. This way you can put your brand identity on YouTube. Brands can create playlists which can be set up as themed or in the order that the brand wants the content to be watched. YouTube is a powerful social media tool. 300 hours of video are uploaded on YouTube every minute. This means that your content needs to be correctly identified to make sure that it comes up in search results. What are you looking for out of YouTube? Do you want a social following? Do you want views? If you want to make money off YouTube, you need to decide what type of content you want to make. Sometimes for a brand, views aren't as important as qualified viewers. It's better to have a small qualified audience than a large unqualified audience on YouTube. To create a YouTube channel, you need to have a Google account. If you already have a Google account, you already have a YouTube channel. That's a personal channel. However, if you want to create a brand channel, you should go to business.google.com and follow the instructions to build a brand channel. Once you've set up your YouTube channel, it's time to customize it. You can put a dedicated avatar and a banner, as well as adding your social links on your main channel. I recommend also adding a channel description. This way you can tell your viewers what type of content they can expect from your channel. Sign into your YouTube channel. On the left, click My Channel. Under your channel's banner, click the settings icon. Toggle the Customize Your Channel and save. It's important to customize your channel. This way you can clearly identify that it's your channel and the way you want people to experience your content once they land on your page. It's important to regularly upload content on YouTube. This keeps your audience engaged and keeps them coming back for more. Adding regular content to your channel helps grow your audience. Timing is important. You can use events, what's happening in popular culture, to upload content that is relevant to what people are searching for. You should also set a schedule. This way, your audience knows when content is being uploaded. When you're ready to upload your video, go on youtube.com/upload. Make sure to choose if you want your video to be public, private, or unlisted before you upload your video.